ride a skateboard. Woohoo!
You're
Yeah,
recording.
as long as they don't.
Good, I'm recording.
Okay, well, we got a multi-set odds and end tools here.
Look at all those pieces.
Pieces, you're right.
Which ones do you need?
I need them to fit there. Let's see. Maybe this one.
That will work.
Oh no, wrong one.
It's a T.
Trying to figure out which one.
Wait, I know what one.
You do?
No, which one is it? Oh, does it work? No?
Huh. I got an
It
idea.
worked?
Okay, that one works.
Woo! I found the one that worked.
And this is magnetic, so it holds in there. All right, now we got to put it in our drill.
Say in my drill.
Your
Your
drill?
drill.
I'm gonna drill it. Can I drill it?
Done.
Just a minute.
Yes, sir. Grandpa, do what he has to do first.
Okay.
Knowledge.
Put it in that hole right there, Dylan.
Okay.
Okay, squeeze the trigger.
Wait, can you move your hand? I can't see.
Oh, look at there.
Off it goes.
Bring it down here, come on.
My first one.
Okay.
And out goes another screw. And next screw. Nope, trying to get it in there. Close. Got it? The swing is the swing. Yay, we got it. Whoop! There goes the board. We're on the ground. Last one.
Then the whole thing is up.
Okay.
And down it goes.
All right, now we got to line that. Put it up here. We got to put the board up here.
Dylan, get the board. Get the board and put it up there. Watch out, don't hit me.
Remember, this is my house. So
It's not your house.
I'm pretending. Remember?
It's not his house. Oh, let's see what he's doing over there. Just got the nail out of that one.
All right.
They broke
Dylan,
apart.
We're going to try to cheat just a little bit.
Ooh, we're gonna try to cheat doing something.
We'll put that on there.
I'm gonna try to
This one on here.
line it up over there.
That's for the.
Come on, push it down. Right there.
Now we're going to try to drill that.
Try to drill both of them?
Oh, wrong way.
Put a pilot hole in there so we don't split our wood.
It's exactly
Hooray!
same
Oh!
amount. Both sides.
Okay.
Put that back in there.
I got it.
You got it.
I have the power.
Yeah, you got the power on. Knocking my stuff over.
Can I do it?
Don't let Grandpa do this one.
Why?
I'm just marking them, is all I'm doing right at the moment. Then we'll let Dylan work on it.
On Mr. D.
Mr. D, you're right.
Is this my
Keep-
house?
Box on me.
It keeps, putting a hole in it, keeps from splitting the wood.
Just for 15 days. Ha ha. That is. Oh my.
Big
Get
piece of
down
wood.
to Mr. D's side here. Okay, Mr. D, put it in that hole right there. Bring it up.
Push it up.
Bring it up. Turn it on. Bring it out like that.
Use your strength. Wow.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
And it hits the ground.
We got to find something better to work.
I found the hole.
Yeah, the old trash
Watch
can.
yourself with that thing.
The old trash can. Okay, Mr. D.
Trash can works.
Right here.
No, right here.
Nope, right there.
Wait,
Get
I
in there.
got it.
Yeah, you got it. Woohoo.
Good job.
Got it.
Make a carpenter out of this boy yet. Okay, there you go.
And then,
There, you got the hang of it.
woo!
Yeah, all right.
I got the hang of it.
Mm-hmm. All right, very good. Bring it out. All right. All right.
Did
Don't wear
you
the
hear
battery
that?
out. Don't wear the battery.
Did you hear that?
Okay, we'll be back in a second.
Okay, we're gonna hold this.
We're going to hold this right. Somebody has to hold this right here.
Yep.
And somebody has to squirrel.
Yep. You got it, son.
Oh,
I got the best in the bag.
Got the who?
I got the best in the bag.
got the best in the bag. That's new. Okay. And there goes the thermometer thing.
Oh, look, here's a wasp.
Let me
Trying to
see.
line it up.
Look, it's a wasp with nips
Just
going.
no, Mr. D, come here.
Coming.
Mr. D, come over there.
Can I see your grill?
Yeah, sure. Tangle up and down. Tangle up and
We're
down.
gonna get the screw started coming through. All right.
That's the first one.
We doing this right, Mr. D?
Yep.
How do you know?
Because I know.
He
Got a
doesn't.
pencil in my ear?
Yep.
No.
Pencil right here.
All right.
Take it out.
Screw that in.
Then we
Screw it all in. Whoa. Don't drop. Be careful.
almost there.
Don't worry.
Good deal.
Woo! Got the first one in. Moving on to the next one.
Moving on to the next one.
See where it's at. It's right there. Watch out. Watch out, Mr. D. Watch out.
Okay, Mr. D.
We'll try to find it. There we go. Right there.
Can you move your hand real quick?
Go
Oh,
in.
yes.
Wait.
All right, go ahead.
There we go. Ah. And there she blows.
Wow.
So. Sarah, sit on.
It's a
Oh,
magnifying.
Mr. D.
It's a magnifying view.
You've got a magnet
Come
on
on
it,
back
doesn't
right
it?
here.
Oh.
Don't have anything?
Can you get it off?
Yeah, we'll get her off. There we go.
Just try to get it in there. Right in there. Oh, that's a hand.
You got to get on it straight. You're not on it straight. There,
And in it goes. We got it. We got it.
Alright.
Don't. Hey. Don't. No, don't do that. You're going to run out the battery.
Okay, Mr. D, let's do this again.
Over there. And then we have one more after that one.
Let me do it.
Oh, jeez.
Can you get in
Try
for me?
Okay,
And it
good deal.
That's the best.
That's the best.
And then the last little hole over here.
Okay, Mr. D, come on over here.
Coming. Excuse me.
What? Oh, I just walked in the spider web. That spider doesn't look too happy.
Come on.
I won't be able to get in there.
You gotta learn how.
Whoa.
That's
Careful.
nuts. It's so fluffy. Got it.
All right, good deal. All right, we're done with this project.
No, and it's all together, right?
Mm-hmm.
See you next time.
Thanks.
Like and subscribe.
Thumbs up.